Welcome to overcoming fear of criticism, which can be paralyzing. So here's how to know if you suffer from fear of criticism. You've got trouble making decisions. There's this voice in your head telling you that you're probably doing something wrong. Second guessing yourself. Dread of what others might say. Regretting your decisions almost as soon as you make them. Now, criticism is powerful for everyone, not just those who develop fear of it, because it's a major contributor to relationship discord, divorce, parent-child hostility, and depression. The first step to healing from it is to really understand the critic. Criticism is more autobiographical than descriptive. It tells you more about the critic than whoever they're criticizing. They regulate their emotions with blame, denial, and avoidance. So any kind of discomfort, they'll look for someone to blame it on, or they'll deny it, or they'll try to avoid it. And criticism will serve all three purposes. And they need to feel superior, which means they often feel inferior. Inferiority and superiority are opposite sides of the same coin. Your only motivation to act superior is if you feel inferior. To be little, you have to be little. Act on your values regardless of what other people think. So your sense of self, your sense of well-being, depends on what you do, not what other people think of what you do. Focus on effort more than outcome. You can control your effort, but the outcome often depends on other people, especially if you're in an interaction. And focus on what you can control rather than what's beyond personal control. You're going to feel disempowered if you focus on things you can't control, but you will feel empowered if you focus on what you can control. Reflect on the good decisions you've made in the past and how you've compensated for mistakes. And self-reward is turning shame of making mistakes into pride for learning from mistakes.